Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So this video is rather exciting as we're gonna be reviewing one of my items. Surprise! You probably noticed how much I love doing reviews for you guys, is I really love to test the products out, especially the hype products, to see if it's really worth a hype. Because with some makeup products, I noticed that the big YouTubers and beauty bloggers a bit overrating those products and they're not really worth the hype. I am always super honest, no matter if my videos are sponsored, I got the stuff for free, it's been sent out to me, or I spend my own money for it, I still say my opinion about it, no matter any of those factors. So once again, super honest review. Let's jump into this. So I've seen so many people hyping about this foundation, and I actually personally couldn't wait to try this foundation, as I absolutely love the Conceal and Define concealers. I mean, they are amazing. Yeah, I've been loving them a lot. My oily skin loves it. It doesn't crease under the eyes. It's absolutely amazing. That's why I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Just I am a bit thinking if I should do a comparison review comparing the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation to go with this. We might just do some swatches and see how it feels texture wise, maybe on hand, and then do a full face of this one and a wear test as well. So I think without any further ado, we should start. By the way, I got the color called F7. I'm not sure if it's my shade or not or anything. It's still wrapped in this plastic thing. Okay, so to begin with, what I really like about it is the packaging, as it's made out of a glass and not plastic, so it means less plastic pollution. So hooray, Makeup Revolution. Although the Fast Base Stick Foundation is still packed in a plastic, so not a fan of that, although it's cute. But so this Conceal and Define foundation is like a bigger version of the Conceal and Define concealer. Although the concealer is a see-through and this one has a matte finish to the bottle. I think we should just swatch in hand to see if it's any similar to the Conceal and Define concealer. So this one is a color F7. Oh my god, the band is huge. I haven't opened this up or tested, so I wasn't expecting that this band gonna be so huge. Okay, let's check. Okay. I think it's gonna be a little bit too light for me. Oh, anyways, we're gonna try to make this work. We can bronze it up a bit, but I think the shade itself is slightly bit too light for me. Although it's supposed to be a neutral undertone, but I think it's more of a pinkish. Anyways, we're gonna make it work. So the texture of the foundation so far for me seems to be the same. I'm just gonna try to blend it. Oh my god, it blends so easy. Yeah, so the foundation itself seems to be the same texture as a concealer. I'm gonna do a little swatch of a concealer. I mean, it's totally different colors, so just ignore that, but let's see the texture. Honestly, so far, it feels exactly the same on a hand. Like the way it blends, it feels the same nice creamy as the concealer. So I'm super excited about this foundation. If it's exactly like a concealer, I'm gonna be the biggest fan of this foundation and it's gonna be my #1 go-to foundation from now on. Let's compare with the Fast Base Stick Foundation. I have 3 colors with me. I have F2, F6 and F10, so I'm gonna do swatches of all 3 of them. So I think F6 would be the closest because this one is F7 and Conceal and Define. So F2, texture is such a different of Conceal and Define and this Fast Base foundation, because Fast Base Stick Foundation is more of a liquidy one, and then this one, Conceal and Define, is more of a, it has kind of like a powdery effect after blending it. It goes to more of a matte, because look at this one. This one feels very, it's not even watery. I don't even know how to explain, but it's more like a creamy, it's more dewy finish to the foundation itself as well after blending it out. And this so far seems to be more of a like super matte finish. It goes more to the powdery finish. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick swatch of the F6 and F10. I'm gonna add a little bit of this next to F6 to see if it's matching a lot or not. So F6 in a Fast Base Concealer and F7 in Conceal and Define. They don't really match because F6 is more of a warm yellowish color and then F7 is more of a pinkish undertone. Although if you check actually Makeup Revolution site, they explain each and every shade, like an undertone and everything. So this one says it has neutral undertone, but for me it looks a little bit pinkish, but we're gonna see it on a face. But so far, if you're thinking of going for the Fast Base Stick Foundation or Conceal and Define Fast Bake Stick Foundation is perfect if you have a dry or normal skin, as it gives the dewy finish. My skin is oily, so this foundation doesn't really tend to work with me. Yeah, my skin is just too oily for that. So my face just looks shiny with this foundation, and it doesn't stay on my face for too long. It's not for me. If you have oily or combination skin like I do, the Fast Bake Stick Foundation is not really for you unless you're looking for super dewy finish. Okay, I think without any further ado, we should just apply this foundation on the face and see, because so far on hand it feels amazing, the texture and the way it blends to that matte powdery finish. Alright. I don't know how much I should be applying. This van is just so weird. I never had any foundation that would be like this, so I kind of don't know what to expect. Okay, I think I'm just gonna dot around maybe. So far blends very easy. Honestly, I feel like it's exactly the same formula as the Conceal and Define concealer. The coverage seems to be okay. I wonder how it's gonna wear, because I'm gonna do a wear test and wear for like 6 or 8 hours or so to see how it's looking on. This shade seems to be a little bit too light, especially on my forehead now. Gotta be honest, I'm really impressed so far by this foundation. Really liking the texture, the way it blends, and the way it feels on the skin. It feels very velvety, if that makes any sense. Like, honestly, loving this so far. Because I chose not the best shade for me. I mean, it's close enough, but slightly bit too light, so I think we should contour face a little bit. So I'm gonna take the C14 and then C1 to contour my face. Alright, let's put some C1. Honestly, so far, loving this foundation. I'm gonna jump in, finish up my makeup look. I'm gonna set it with a set powder. I'm gonna bronze it a little bit and all. And then I'll come back to you to tell how it feels on the skin with a finished look and how it wears, as I really want to wear it for a good few hours to see if it's actually any good. But so far, humongous thumbs up from me. It feels amazing on the skin. It blends super easy. It has a massive matte finish to it. It feels kind of powdery, velvety. Yeah, so far, thumbs up from me for that. I'll finish up my makeup and I'll come back to you guys. So finished off my makeup look, and so far foundation feels absolutely amazing on my face. It doesn't like dry out my face or anything, because some matte foundations tends to dry the skin out, because my skin is so oily. So some like super matte foundations feels a bit too much, like too harsh on my sensitive skin, but this one feels great on skin. Foundation itself is super matte, as you guys can see. I'm gonna wear it for another like 5, 6 or 8 hours, and then I'm gonna come back to use to see how it looks. I'm not gonna do any touch-ups or whatsoever to my makeup, just to do a proper wear test review. But so far, humongous thumbs up from me. Really loving it. I think it's exactly the same formula as the Conceal and Define concealer. So I'm gonna see you soon, guys. And I'm back, guys. So I've been wearing this foundation now for nearly 6 hours. I filmed another few videos. That's why I'm wearing so much jewelry. It's about that. Video is coming up next on my channel in a few days time. You wanna watch that one, I'm telling you. So talking about foundation, I wore it for around 6 hours. I haven't done any touch-ups whatsoever, and my face is perfectly matte. I mean, look at that. My face is not shining or anything. I'm mega impressed by this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation because my face skin is super oily. So sometimes when I'm filming, especially today I filmed 3 videos, so sometimes when I'm filming the first video, my skin will get already super oily because of the lights, because of the heat. But I've been filming today all day and I haven't done any touch-ups. I mean, I am impressed. So if you have this oily skin like me, I think you're gonna like it as much as I do because it definitely gives that super matte finish. Oh my god, like I'm looking at the mirror, I am super impressed because usually these parts in here, my chin and my forehead would be shining like crazy, but I really hope you guys can see it on the camera. I really hope you guys can see. That's all I'm gonna say. Humongous thumbs up from me for this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I had super huge expectations for it because I've been loving their concealers so much. So yeah, I think this is gonna be my new favorite foundation from now on. So what do you guys think of this video? Did you enjoy watching it? Have you tried this foundation yet? Leave a comment down below, let me know. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I would really appreciate that, and I can't wait to share more videos, you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao.